You're lying.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Leah here, and I have a lot of errands to run, you guys. I have a long list of things that I need to do today, so I think it would be fun to just bring you guys with me since it's kind of like a laid back chill day. I'm trying to go ahead and run my errands and get back before 5 o'clock because it gets super dark at 5 o'clock, and I'm going to be doing these errands by myself. And with all of the human trafficking and stuff going on lately, well, I guess the more publicized human trafficking, because it's always been going on, I've just been trying to get back early so I can be able to see my surroundings in the daytime and be in at night. So that's what we're doing today, so let's go ahead and head out. So right now I'm at Plato's Closet. I'm going to try to get rid of some clothes. I cleaned out my closet last week because I realized that I didn't have that many hangers, and I'm like, I have a lot of stuff in here I'm not wearing, so let's try to get rid of it. A lot of the stuff was new, but Plato's, sometimes they don't take stuff, sometimes they take stuff. It really depends on the person that's going through the items. So I'm going in here, try to sell some stuff back, and while I wait, I'm going to run some other errands and then come back and pick up whatever they don't take. I'm going to put it in the blue box and be done with it. So here we go. So they told me 25 minutes, so they don't have that much stuff to go through. So I'm going to, either way, I can still take however much time I want because it's not like they can get rid of my things. So I know I need to go to Burlington Coat Factory. I need to pick up this book that I saw for like $5, and it's just a Bible storage book. It's really for kids, but I thought it would be helpful for me because I'm trying to get back into reading the Bible and understanding the Bible more. And so that's what I'm doing now. There's a lot of people out today. I was surprised Plato's wasn't as busy, but I guess people have their Christmas money to spend, so yeah. It is over 10 minutes later. To be exact, it has been 12 minutes, you all, and I'm just the second car, like, behind to order, so. And it's crazy because in a matter of 10 minutes, my stomach has started, like, growling, so. I don't know if I'm gonna make it back by 5 because I have a special gift to pick up. I didn't even tell you all, so I'm picking up, it's a semi-big gift for my sister for her birthday. My mom, dad, and I are getting her, hold on, finally.
Chick-fil-A. My name is Michaela. How may I serve you?
Hi, may I have a medium fry with Polynesian sauce?
Okay.
That'll be all.
202.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
You guys, I did all of that for literally like 2 seconds. Like 2 seconds. I sit in line for over 12 minutes to do a 2-second order and probably something that could potentially be ready. Yeah. So I came up with the idea to get my sister a Nintendo Switch. She has been talking about this game forever, and what happened was, so my boyfriend purchased a Nintendo Switch. It was this year. Matter of fact, it was this year sometime. I want to say it was at the beginning of the year because he actually needed the Nintendo Switch for his class, so that was pretty. He loves the game, so he was pretty excited about having a class where like he could do gaming, whatever. So I like to play Mario. My sister and I grew up playing like Mario, everything. We love Mario, especially like the original Mario, like Mario Bros. Not necessarily Mario. We'll play Mario Kart, but we like the one where you go and like hit the little question marks and stuff, like jump on the ducks, and I call them ducks, and then like the little, I don't know, the mushrooms. I think they're mushrooms. They look like mushrooms, but the little animal things. Like, we love those games. And I had bought that game to play on Stefan's Nintendo Switch because he was playing other games, but I wanted to play Mario, so he would let me like play his game. So I bought Mario. And when my sister would visit, she would like love to play the game. Like, that's what she wanted to do. Like, hey, can I play your game? Can I play Mario? So she mentioned it before Christmas. She was like, I should have put a Nintendo Switch on my Christmas list, but I didn't want nobody to like, spend that much money on me or whatever. So that's what she was doing. So I was like, you know what? That's the perfect birthday gift. Her birthday is 5 days after Christmas, and she always says like, oh, my birthday, I just feel like my birthday gets looked over, da 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 da. So I think she's gonna cry. So my dad and my mom and I are like getting her the Switch and also a Mario game. I might have to get her like accessories or a case or something, but I know how my sister is. She may want to purchase her own case, so I have to see. Good thing is my boyfriend is working today. I'm not for sure if he's gonna be the person that's gonna help me, but I may just go to his department and let him help me like get everything while he's on the clock. So I'm going to do that, but I'm going to let that be the last stop just because this is just me and this is just what goes on in my mind. I don't want to have like any like expensive things in my car because it's still kind of like holiday season. I don't want anybody to break in my car or anything, even though I probably would put it in the trunk, but then it might be somebody at Best Buy watching me put the stuff in my trunk. So you all, this is just the things that goes in my head. So it's gonna be my last stop. So my last stop is to purchase this birthday gift for her. And you all, so being that today is the 28th, so this vlog will definitely go up after her birthday because my sister does watch my videos and I don't want her to know what she got for her birthday. So I'm pretty excited. Like, I'm excited for her because like I know she's gonna like this gift and I know she's gonna play it. And she always played games growing up, so like I know she's gonna love it. I don't know, she's gonna be like, why did you all buy me this? I don't know. Oh my god, like I'm super excited. I don't know, just excited to buy her this gift. So I'm the 4th car in line. Hopefully I'm gonna have my money ready, so we just do this little swap out thing because I'm gonna park, I'm gonna eat my french fries, and then ironically Play-Dohs haven't contacted me back yet, so I'm not for sure what happened, what the hold up is, or did they forget to text me. So I'm going to go to TJ Maxx and look around first, and then there's quite a few things I need to pick up from Target, like toiletry items and stuff and feminine products. So I'll go to Target next since they're right there near each other, and then if my order is finished at Play-Dohs, I'm gonna go to Play-Dohs, and then my last stop is gonna be Best Buy. So I'm really pushing it. Right now it is 3:08, so I'm kind of pushing it for like this 5 o'clock goal to be pulling back at my apartment at 5 o'clock. So I don't know, and you all, this is like kind of weird, but I could look out like my side mirror to the left right here, and it's this lady behind me and she's looking at me, and I really hope she doesn't think I'm talking to myself because, well, I guess technically I kind of am, but like, I don't know. that's where we at. So I'm about to go ahead and hit pause because once I get this food, I'm just gonna eat. And yes, this lady is still looking at me, but okay. See what my total will be. It's probably zero, y'all. So I got $8.62 for Play-Doh. So I guess that's a fast food meal, vegetarian style. And crazy thing is, you guys, my sister just called me a while ago as I was pulling up the Best Buy to buy her gift. So I just said, I'm gonna have to call you back. I'm actually getting ready to go buy your gift. I don't think she has no clue what we're getting, but anywho, she knows me. She's getting something, so about to go get it. So I just had to show you guys like how good I am doing on time. Like, it's 5 o'clock. Okay, a little update, you guys. I went to Best Buy thinking that I was gonna come out with all of the items, and that did not happen. They were sold out of almost everything except for the game that I wanted to purchase. So I placed the order and I'm going to pick it up from another store on Monday, which is her birthday. So I'm kind of pushing it, but hopefully, I mean, everything has been purchased and all I have to do is pick it up on Monday from another store. So right now I do have a headache. I kind of figured this was gonna happen because I waited all day to eat, but I'm gonna get comfy, get me something to eat, and chill out, I guess. Well, actually, I have a lot of more things that I have to knock off on my to-do list because, you guys, I am being more productive and I'm getting in that mindset early before the new year gets here, because 2020 for me is productivity. It is. I said the same thing. I don't know if y'all want to go for the pink thing. You do that. Man, don't record me. This is from me, mom, and dad. We all chipped in and got you that. Yep.
You're lying.
Yay. Wait, games come with this too? No, but that's why we got you that one. Oh, thank you. But that probably ain't know what the frick this was. Hello?
Hi there.
For my birthday. A Nintendo Switch. I swear I did.
Don't swear. Please don't swear.
Oh, and the money that's...
The money is for you to buy a case for it.
Right, because all of the stores were sold, all of Best Buy stores were sold out of cases, so we said we could probably try GameStop. But you kind of did.